Michael here at RVs of America, Black Series premier dealer in the world. Now, one of the things that's my favorite about a Black Series trailer is its off-grid capability. It's got the solar panels, it's got the inverter, you know, it's got good sized water tanks. The one thing that I like to have, one of those comforts, you know, it's not necessary, but most people like that. If you're going somewhere camping, and sometimes if you go somewhere camping that's really hot, you want an air conditioner. But if you're going off-road and off-grid, you have nowhere to plug in. So you have to have a generator. So one of the things we've been doing for our modification are soft starts. We've done a bunch of soft starts. Almost, I mean, half the people that buy these things get a soft start, maybe more. And that soft start, what the soft start does, if you watch that video, I explain about it more, but basically it makes it so you can run off of a smaller generator, like a Honda 2000. Now, your Honda 2000, this is a Honda 2200 companion. The reason we like these ones, I mean, you got a little bit more amperage or watts, obviously, but it has a 30 amp plug, which is cool too. So that allows for more amps for your trailer. But now you got to lug around some extra gasoline to be able to fuel your generator, which that's fine. You got jerry can holders in the Black Series, so then you can have your gasoline. But me, preferably, I try to simplify things, make it as easy as possible and fast as possible. So if you want air conditioner, you grab the soft start, you grab a Honda 2200, and now we are doing conversion kits to propane for those Honda generators. So as you can see, like kind of this picture, which I'm gonna do, I have all the parts here, and I will show you the completed, this is the regulator for it. When it's all completed, I'll show you how that is. But basically, it's going to make it so your generator becomes dual purpose and you can run it off of propane. You're already lugging propane tanks around, so it makes it a lot more convenient. You upgrade to the 30 pounders, you got even more. But on a 20-pound tank, running the air conditioner 6 to 8 hours a day, one of those tanks will last you 3 days. Most of the time you don't go camping much more than 4 or 5 days. So with your 2 tanks, you're gonna have air conditioner for your entire trip off of this system. If you upgrade to 30 pounder, then you're gonna get even longer. You know, you can go for over a week and have air conditioner the entire time, which is fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and install this conversion kit so that we can run off of propane, and then I'll show you that operating and running one of our air conditioners that has the soft start already in it, so we can have propane powered air conditioning basically through the generator, which I think is fantastic. It just gives you a much better capability to be off grid. And what's one of my favorite things about these generators is their size as well, and they're not that heavy, so you can actually get it in your compartment. So small, light, and now it's going to become even more capable with the propane. So I'll go ahead and get that done, and then I'll show you how that works. I have finished the LP conversion on the Honda generator, and I'm gonna have to say this is probably one of my top favorites for sure, at least in the top 5 of things we've done, because I love air conditioning. And this makes it so we can have air conditioner anywhere, anytime, off of propane with a smaller generator because of the soft start. So it's a great combo. So if you look here closer, you can see it just has a easy connect there, and then it goes as its own regulator built in. And for this particular customer, they wanted a much longer cord or a much longer hose so they could set the generator further away from the RV. So I have a 20-footer here attached instead of the standard, you know, it's like maybe 3 feet or so. So with that regular setup, you would have to pull your tank out. With this, we don't. So I just run it through one of those little holes. Now I got my generator. I can pick it up here and set it quite far away. And now on the generator, as you can see, it's got this connection here, and this is for the propane, and it's real nice because it's just a quick connect. And now I can run, if you want, you can run this. Now it is dual purpose, so I can still use my fuel from gasoline to run this, or I can use the propane. So if I want to use propane, I throw my quick connect on there, snaps right on. And then down here, you can see I got a nice little sticker that's been updated. So you got gas or LPG or off. All right, so down here, we want to turn it all the way up, and then you bring it down until you feel resistance, and then you stop. That's engages the LPG mode. Then you do want to prime it. So on the big regulator over here, there's a button right there for prime. You just hold that in for a second, and then you go over and pull the cord. And if it doesn't start after a couple pulls, then you might need to prime it a little bit more. There we go, we're on. I'm gonna plug this in, and this also needs a special adapter for the generator, but it is a 30 amp. So I go into there, and then we can plug it into my 30 amp. Now we'll go inside and feel the air conditioning. We're inside right now. I don't know if you can hear the generator, maybe you can. I can a little bit. I do have the door open, so it's pretty quiet, which is nice, and that's what's one of the nice things about the smaller generators. Now this has a soft start in it, so we can have air conditioner off of our small Honda generator. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Nice and cold. Running off the generator, propane. There you have it. We're gonna have air conditioning with a smaller Honda generator that runs off of our propane tanks with the soft start. Great combo. I love it. It's nice. It's gonna be a lot more convenient, especially just because that generator is so much smaller than looking around a big 3000 to be able to run the air conditioner, which it's nice to have smaller, and it's gonna use less fuel as well. Just a great conversion, a great setup for off-grid. So hopefully you love that. I do. I really like it a lot. Go ahead and like and subscribe, notifications, and we'll keep on bringing you awesome modifications, and we're planning some trips here soon, so we'll hopefully get some of those awesome off-roading videos of the Black Series out soon as well. So until next time, have a wonderful day. Make good choices.